What's going on YouTube? AGV King Raw, and today I wanted to talk to y'all about Pinkpum shoe boxes. These things are amazing. They come with I think they come with 12 in the box, and they make them for like small size feet, and I think the biggest sizes they go up to is like a size 11, but I got shoes that's a size 12 and they still fit. So I want to talk to y'all about these because I love these things. These things is amazing. The material that they use, I think this is a plastic, but the way they do it is they put holes in the plastic so your sneakers can actually breathe. So it's not like you know how sometimes you have those shoe boxes and then like the plastic can get fogged up because it's so much however you say that, it's humidity in the box. These holes allow your shoes to breathe, so that way your shoes don't get mold and stuff like that. But I just wanted to do a video about these because these things are really amazing and they're not hard to put together. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna put this thing together and then I'm gonna show y'all how my shoe boxes came out. This is the actual shoe box that they send you. It's not hard at all, it's not difficult at all. What I do with it is I just went like this, I opened it up, and then I folded it the other way. I bent the opposite and I just folded it the other way. So once it was actually folded the other way, then I'll just come back like this. And then the little tabs that you got right there, I just bend the tabs in. Each of them one by one. So once you bend the tabs in, it's gonna look like this. Like everything is flush, right? Then simply, you get one of these. And really it don't even matter which one you put where because it all look the same. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like I mixed them up, like the front to the back, back to the front. It don't even matter. Cause once you put it next to your shoe boxes, they all the same thing. The only thing that matters is that, well, this part don't even matter because you can flip the shoe box. You get what I'm saying? So the top don't even matter. Say if I was to put, oh yeah, well it do matter if you put these little things down. You can't skip no steps. So let me take these down real quick, the little tabs, just like I did the other one, and I flat them down, and I throw this right on top. I just measure it to the top, to the front, and you just press it down. And really, it's just that simple. Really, it's just that simple. So these are the Pinkpum shoe boxes. Get in the comments, let me know what you think. Let me know if you got a couple boxes. Let me know if you're gonna get more if you do got them. And let me know what you think about them. Get in the comment box, let me know what you think. And this is the finished thing. And what I do wanna show y'all, guys, is how I got my setup. This is how I set up mine. As you can see, I need more, so I got more on the way now. But this is how I set mine up. Let's see what size these are. Because I got the size 11 shoe boxes. Size 11 and a half. See what I'm saying? And they fit perfectly fine. If you look on the inside of the box, you got the little holes back there so the shoes can breathe, so no mold is gonna grow on your shoes. And if you really pay attention to how it looks, these are flush, front and back. So you can stack it really all the way up to the ceiling. I could just put them all like over here and just stack it all up, but what I want to do is I want to have all three and then maybe keep going, you know what I'm saying, and then maybe bring some over here. But this is the beginning of my shoe wall. AGV King Raw. Get in the comment box, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.